Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the all-new 2020 Aviara AV32. As you can see, this is blue in color with white accent. Has a really nice big swim platform with SeaDek, twin engine. Inside the boat, the back lounger there, flip up, and there's stools that pop up. If you look at the pictures, you'll see more. Inside here, big wraparound seating, tons of cup holders, one of the best stereo systems on the market. Got a refrigerator, a sink, a pull-out cooler, an extremely spacious head. You get a toilet and a sink inside here. There's some storage cabinets. It's a very deep boat coming into the bow. Again, multiple speaker covers you can see, big wraparound seating. The seat to the right moves out so people can put their feet down if they want, but tons of cup holders, lots of speakers, radio controller, charging ports, everything you could ask for on a boat. Here at the helm, the seat's a flip-up bolster seat, twin seat. You got 3 touchscreen screens. This boat's equipped again with twin engines, cup holders that are cooled. Again, phenomenal boat, great interior and all. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit the like button and